CCL Security would like to introduce the dial combination cam lock. The dial combination cam lock from CCL Security comes in a silent sales decorative poly bag with detailed information on the front and back. The back features the instructions and the contents of the lock. The dial combination from CCL Security comes in 3 sizes, 3 different lengths, 2 colors, black and chrome. Please visit your local SHDA distributor to get the new dial combination cam lock from CCL Security. These products start at $10 MSRP. Thank you.